In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can write YouTube script using a AI tool. So without any more hostage, let's get started. First I'm going to write on me this link already in description for easy access. So you need to select your language. So I select English, then select your voice or tone. So this is much better convincing for attractive people. So this is block idea and outline. Here is the type of your topic. So I type of five fact marketing. Just click on writer me, then select a few seconds for processing. Wow, you can see this is a my first powerful facts about email marketing that will make you rethink your strategy. So just you need to select your headline, then just unmark this option, just on, just select writer me, then continue writing, just select continue writing, then it's automatically writing a script for me. Wow, it's really good. So now scroll down, then select second one, then again click on writer me logo, then continue. This is a method you can click on continue writing. So when you completed five things about of email marketing, this is my topic. So this a tool or write whole script for me. So this is my whole script ready for making a YouTube video. Five powerful facts about email marketing that will make you rethink your strategy from dead. In fact, email marketing benefits. Email marketing is a far from dead. The number of speaks for it themselves, despite the rise of social media and any others. So, if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.